Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Yes, I'm back doing a second video very quickly, most unlike me, but I got motivated today, especially this afternoon. I am joining in the August Fibre Hearts, I guess you'd call it challenge, promotion, I don't know what you'd call it, but Dana's Wanderlust Crochet came up with this great idea because on the 11th of August in the USA, it's National Crochet Day. And just because I live in Australia doesn't mean I can't join in. So I'm joining in. The idea is you leave little crocheted or knitted crafted objects around the place for people to find, and you promote crochet, knitting, fibre arts, and maybe the YouTube. Like, just why not learn to crochet on YouTube or learn to knit on YouTube? So I'm going to join in because what motivated me this afternoon, after work, I called in at a shop where the lady always chats to me. She's very friendly, probably my age, maybe a bit younger. And she was so excited to show me a photo of her first ever crochet project, which was a granny stitch blanket she'd made for her daughter. It was lovely. And she was so happy and so proud to show it off. And I'd forgotten what that feeling was like. So that was really nice. So tomorrow I'm going to go back there because it's not far from my workplace. And she's going to get my first gift for Fibre Hearts August. Now, I know she's broad-minded because she's told me a lot of really rude jokes in the past. So she's going to get my dishcloth with a pink scrubby. I'm going to gift pack that up and ask her to put the hashtag on her social media because I do know she has access to social media. And that will be a surprise gift for her. So I will know where that's going. But everything else I've pulled out of my stash because I haven't really had time to make things. These are from my craft stall or little projects I've tried and put away and never given away. I went through it and picked a variety of stuff. So it's winter here, so I'm going to have to either bag it up in cellophane like this or plastic. So this will be my second object to go to be hidden. Now, it's a crochet scrubby for the bath, and there I have this little bar of really nice soap to put with it, and then I'll put a card in that, you know, hashtag August Fibre Hearts, spreading the word, like something like, once I was lost, now I'm found, and I'm yours to keep. I don't know, I'm not very poetic. Might ask the sun to write something. But this, now I also have like this really thin pamphlet that I got years ago of how to crochet a beanie and knit a beanie. And there's one on each side. And around Cairns, I don't know if they're overseas, but we have what we call community libraries. So basically they're like a box on a stand with a glass door with two shelves, and there are books in there, and you can take a book and put a book back. It's like a honor exchange program. So tomorrow there's one at the beach, there's one in suburbs in a park. Somewhere, unbeknownst to you guys, I'm going to put this with a pattern in one of those, and hopefully someone will find it and go, wow, what a nice idea. So that's the first thing. Now I went through, this was a pom-pom I made out of, it was like lace weight yarn I got from a charity shop. I really liked the colours, I washed it, but it really wasn't enough to do anything with other than make a pom-pom. So I made a pom-pom and put it on a key ring. I'm going to put that around somewhere. This is knitted, and it's my little octopus on a key ring. That's another thing. So that's how to make a pom-pom, knitted project. And then I have crocheted scrunchie I've made that's never been used, and I'll put that in a pack. I've got this headband where I'd crocheted this little flower with this pretty button. That's another one. I've got this, it needs to be laid out flat for a while because he's scrunched up from being stuck away. A crocheted bow with a hair clip on the back. That's another one. I have this baby beanie. This is my standard baby beanie I make. So it is winter here, and this will be nice for someone. And of course, I have a heart. This is I make quite a few of these, especially in pink and white and pink for little girls. It's a tooth fairy pillow. So that's a pocket on the front. That's where the tooth goes, and the tooth fairy in the night takes the tooth and puts the money in there. So yes, you're going to say to yourself, wow, she's got a few to give away. Well, Kevin and I have decided this Sunday is my big AGM at work, and then I usually have a week at work, and then I go on leave. And this year I was supposed to go to the south of France and meet up with our son for his 40th. Now that ain't happening. But we've decided, because we're very fortunate in Australia and in Queensland, we can travel the whole state. We just don't really want to cross borders. So we're going to head out to the Wild West, which is only 3 to 4 hours drive from Cairns. But the scenery is beautiful, and we're hoping to relax and recharge out there and get over all our family upsets that we've had. So I was telling my boss, because he was asking me, have I booked here and have I booked there about this, because his wife sews, and he was the one that said, you should take some stuff out there and leave them in the small towns for people, because they're doing it tough out there. So that's why there's so many. I'll leave a few around Cairns, and I might leave some of this stuff as we drive and stay at different places. So August Fibre Hearts definitely got me motivated. So focusing on the good, because the good can only get better in August. So guys, I encourage you to watch Dana at Wanderlust Crochet's video. I'll leave a link to that and get involved, because it is sort of a giveaway, but it's not a big giveaway, and it's not for one person. And it's actually for people you really don't know who might like to learn to crochet, knit, embroider, all sorts. So consider joining in, because I am, even though I'm in Australia. So that's my yarn adventure so far this week. I could be back with another one, because something's coming to a close and I've nearly finished it. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you get involved. Make sure you take care of each other and have at least one crafty day. Bye for now.